politicians, drug addicts, and birds have in common? Friends in high places. It's not at all surprising to see the usual people nominate convicted felon Donald John Trump for the Nobel Peace Prize. They are either trying to kiss his ass for a better deal or are disconnected from reality. Convicted felon Donald John Trump, I think you can win the Nobel Prize for your artwork, for the wonderful secrets you shared with convicted child sex trafficker Jeffrey Epstein, and for being two-faced.